Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you some amazing smoothie recipes that are not only delicious, but also great for your heart health. That's right. We're diving into 5 doctor-approved recipes, perfect smoothies for heart health. So grab your blender and let's get started. First step. We have an antioxidant-packed smoothie that your heart will love for this recipe. You'll need organic blueberries, rolled oats, fresh spinach, chia seeds, and almond milk. Simply toss all the ingredients into the blender and blend until smooth. Voila! You've got yourself a tasty and heart-healthy treat. Get ready for an energy boost with our next recipe. This green smoothie is loaded with nutrients to kickstart your day. You'll need organic green apple, cucumber slices, fresh ginger, spinach leaves, lemon juice, and coconut water. Blend everything together until smooth, and enjoy the refreshing burst of energy. Last but not least, we have a smoothie packed with omega-3 South to support your heart health. You'll need organic strawberries, avocado, flax seeds, honey, and coconut oil. Blend all the ingredients until smooth and creamy. This smoothie is not only delicious, but also a powerful ally for your heart. And there you have it, folks. 5 doctor-approved recipes, perfect smoothies for heart health. I hope you enjoyed these recipes as much as I enjoyed sharing them with you. Remember, taking care of your heart is essential for a healthy and fulfilling life. Stay tuned for more health tips and recipes coming your way soon. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.